Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you my Diwali gift, and actually it's an unboxing video. So as you can see, I have already cut out the outer tape, and I have bought this from Flipkart and paid by my mom. So I haven't seen the actual product yet and even haven't opened it. So you can see it is totally packed, and here is my Diwali gift. That is a DSLR camera, Nikon D3500. Yippee! So now I have my own DSLR camera and I don't need to shoot it by my phone, because till now I was shooting with my phone. Okay, so just cut it out and bring out the product, and you can see it's properly packed, and it took 3 weeks to get delivered, and the price is 28,000. So first I'm opening this outer small box which contains 16 GB memory card. It's a Toshiba class 10 a standard 16 GB memory card, and it's totally free with this pack. So now you don't need to buy a separate SD card for your camera, and it has this cute box too. Like, it came in this cute small box, and I just love this box. It's so cute. So let's just pack it, repack this, and move toward other things like the main product, that is our DSLR camera. Yippee! So let's open it. Let's cut out the tape, and it's so beautiful. Like, its packaging is so beautiful, and I wasn't feeling to unpack it. I was feeling just let it be. Yeah, it's so beautiful, the packaging and all. Okay, so few information is given that I was going through, because it's my first DSLR camera, and I have no knowledge of it. So I was reading the outer package, and information is given is things that comes with this product, like battery and all, then Bluetooth device to which it get connect, and other few things are given, like memory card is free, and its address, its other information. So now unpack the actual product, that is my DSLR camera. I'm removing the tape, and yes, soon I will let you see my new DSLR camera. Till now I was shooting my all videos using my Samsung phone, and recently I bought a Samsung phone too, that is M51 model. So first I got few paper kind things, and what are these? Let's see. It's a card that contain office numbers and addresses, then some warranty cards, then service card, and a manual to know everything, each and every detail, how to connect it and all, and what are the features and how button works. So all these information is given, and now let's see the actual product. That is, wow, it's looking so pretty. Packaging is really cute from inside too. So let's open the camera. I mean, first I'm opening the body, and here you can see, wow, it's so pretty. And that's my first DSLR camera. I'm so happy. Oh my god, it's looking so cute. See how beautiful it is. Now let's move on to second thing, and second I'm going to pick is a battery. Okay, so that's a battery charger, and battery charger come along with this camera, so I don't need to buy them separately. Otherwise I searched Flipkart, and battery retails 1500 and charger too. So that's Nikon battery. Now I don't need to buy battery and charger separately, and that's why how I saved my 3000 rupees. Now there is a belt that you can attach with your camera, and you can hold it in your neck. So that's a belt. The length is pretty good. Now let's check how the lens is. Let's go to lens and let's open it. Okay, so here comes the lenses, and it's really beautiful, really beautiful. Oh my god, I'm gonna thank my mom a lot. I don't know how to use DSLR camera properly. I have basic knowledge of it. So first I will learn it, that how to use it and all, and how to operate it properly like a professional, and then I will start shooting with this camera. Till then I will continue to shoot with my Samsung M51 phone. So soon you will gonna see high quality video. So in 28,000 I got 16 GB memory card, then a lens, a body, and a bell, charger, and battery. Yes, this is all what I get from Flipkart in 28,000, and delivery was really poor. I mean, I got this camera in 3 weeks. I ordered this on 21st October and get received on 13 November. Along with all these things, all these items, I received a camera back too, and as you can see, it is also double packed. Like everything is double packed in this. Okay, so let's open it and let's see how the bag is. The quality of bag is really good and it has multiple pockets. Okay, so now let me show you all the pockets and the space that I got. So here you can see the front pocket is, and by the time I'm showing you all the pockets and space, let me finish my video. That's my Diwali gift given by my mom, and I'm super happy, super duper happy after receiving it. So first I will learn it how to operate it, and then I will start shooting using this camera. Till then we will shoot with my phone, and I do this video just to share my Diwali gift, my happiness, and unboxing video with you, and I hope you like it too. So that is all for today. I will be back soon with hair care or skin care video. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.